Welcome to Lakeshore RV. I'll be showing you through your carbon today. On your very front, on the tongue here, you're going to have your power jack. The power jack on the left side, you're going to have the light switch. Retract and extend on the tongue. You have two 30-pound LP tanks, both full regulator right here. It is a manual regulator. The tank you pointed to is the one it's going to use the propane off of. Right behind the tanks, you're going to have a 12-volt battery here. It's a deep cell battery. Coming around the driver's side, you're going to have your model, your VIN, everything you need to know about your camper here on these stickers, as well as here's your tire pressure. Here you're going to have the generator in the big compartment here. Generator is a Cummins. Here's the MyKey TV hookup. That's going to be a hookup. Cable, satellite. That's going to be the input. Generator here. Generator, how you work your generator, you're going to fold down you're going to just pull on the top. That's going to release the suctions. Right to the left, you're going to have two breakers that need to be on. You're going to push down and hold the down on the toggle switch. That's going to be priming. When the light turns on, count to 3, and then do start when the light turns on, count to 3. If you don't start, prime longer. Sometimes if you run out of fuel, you're gonna have to prime it for a little bit. Then put this on here. Right to the right of it, you're gonna have an overflow tank, a vent for your fresh water. Docking station here. This docking station is going to be where you're going to bring in your water. Also has outdoor shower, so you'll bring your water into the top spigot here. To use the water and the water pressure off the water hose, you're going to have it pointed to the nozzle here. Pointed down, that's going to fill the tank on the unit. Black tank flush here. Black tank flush. Don't hook a hose up to it until your valves are pulled open and you are connected to the ground. Valves are here. If you do and you have a full black tank, the only spot it's coming is right back out your toilet. So just make sure your valves are open and you're connected to the ground. Here is your furnace. That gets extremely hot, so make sure when you turn on your furnace, there's nothing leaning up against this exhaust pipe. It will catch on fire. Condensation line is behind here for your refrigerator, as well as your plug-in for your refrigerator. Right to the rear of your unit, you're going to have the rear drainage here, the gray tank. Turn on your auxiliary nozzle, which is inside this connection here. You need to turn the switch on here. The fuel coming out of this tank that you put in here, unleaded fuel, is going to supply the auxiliary nozzle as well as your propane or your generator. So if you have them both running, there's going to be one you're going to not be able to use so much. 50 amp feed here. On the back you got the drop down door, the ramp, the white LEDs on the outside. Here you're gonna have some stabilizer jacks. This switch here is gonna control the stabilizer jacks right underneath. These are gonna come down and stabilize your unit from rocking back and forth. There's one on each side. This will control both rears here. Going up to the passenger side of your unit. Outdoor speakers, those are controlled from the inside radio. Coming up near your main door here, you're gonna have the front switch for your stabilizers in the front. Remember, that's gonna control both fronts. Water heater here. Inside this compartment here, you're gonna have a rod to get your spare tire down. Outdoor shower connection, 30 to 50, 30 to 15, 50 amp, sewer hose. A little light here. Here is battery disconnect. the TV hookup for outside is going to be right there. Let's go ahead and go inside your unit. Right inside your main door here, you're going to have 3 light switches. These 3 light switches are going to control the ones right in the hallway above you, as well as the drop down in the kitchen. Right below it, you're going to have a thermostat. This thermostat, you push the bottom bar to turn it on, push it again to turn on the fan, push it again to turn on fan high, cool, heat, off. And then up and down to change your temp in here. We're going to start from your master bedroom and work our way back. After I show you how to open up the slides. Here in this drawer is going to be your main panel. These here are going to show you the levels of your unit. Going to show you the levels of the black tank as well as the battery. Right now we're not charged. We're not plugged in. So when you're plugged in, that will automatically charge your battery. Fuel gauge for your auxiliary nozzle out there. You can start the generator from in here. Water pump. Use the water out of the tank itself. Water heater, gas and electric side. Interior lights, that's gonna just turn on the main ceiling lights. Right to the left, you're gonna have slide out room 1. That's gonna be the one with the refrigerator on it. Slide out room 2 is gonna be the one with the couch on it right here to my left. Awning controls here. Breakers and fuses right below. Right to the right of here is going to be your carbon monoxide alarm. Let's go ahead and start from the master bedroom, work our way back. Master bedroom, you have individual reading lights. They are little buttons in the dead center. You'll have to push to turn them on. AC control is going to be just like the one I just showed you on the wall for in the master bedroom. Main light switch for the master bedroom here. Right above it's going to be the TV hookup. Going into your bathroom here, you're going to have your GFI breaker, as well as the light switch and fan control here. Coming out into the living room area, the lights on the slide are controlled by the switch right to the left. Going into the kitchen, these lights here are manual. You'll have to turn them on and off by the button here in the center. Microwave will be the best indicator if you have short power. If you're connected to short power, this will be lit up and working. Right now we're not connected to the 50 amp feed. Here below it's going to be your fan. Your vent. Right below it's going to be your stovetop. Your stovetop's going to you're going to use it like an outdoor grill. You're going to go right over the flame here. And then you're going to use your igniter on the left side like an outdoor grill. Keys are around your sink here. So here's going to be your entertainment. This is your TV, your sound system. The TV will not work without shore power. Sound system, you got A, B, and C zones here. Those are going to control inside garage, inside the living room, as well as outside. Control what ones that you want on or off. It doesn't matter, on your discretion. Going into the garage here. Right to the right here, when you walk in the garage, you're going to have a little control panel. These are outside lights as well as inside the garage area, as well as the bed lift control. Here is your TV hookup for the garage area. Back bathroom here. Here is your light switch for the back bathroom. Air and next airflow fan. That's going to be right above here. It is water detected, so as soon as it detects water, it's going to start closing. Here on the bed lift control, that switch that is on the wall, you're going to want to make sure that these beds are flat, or these couches are flat. So the way to do so, you're going to pull the pins here on each corner. Lift the couch flat and push in. That's going to set the couch in the little lips here. Then you'll reinsert the pins with the couch all the way up in up position. That will give you access to remove these pins here. Now, if you don't use this couch to guide that bed down, that bed's gonna hit you in the head, because the only thing on a chain is this couch. So that bed will free fall as soon as those pins pull. So use the brackets here on the couch to guide that down. That will come down about halfway. Couch will go down all the way to the floor. I hope you enjoy your video. Thank you for choosing Lakeshore. Have a great day.